Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. Well, here. There's the barcode for it. It says USB-C cable. So you get a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 USB-C cables. So I needed some USB-C to USB-C for various items, such as my iPad and my MacBook. So let's give these things a try if I can open up the package. Holy mackerel. I must be the worst at opening Ziplocs ever. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's grab a couple of these out of here. Just a piece of cardboard in there. Okay, so it comes with a little rubber band to hold it up, and let's see how long are these. These are about 6 feet long, and you see it's USB-C to USB-C. So let's give my MacBook a try here. So we have a USB-C port here, and I have a plug right here that has USB-C ports. So let's see if we're charging. And lo and behold, I don't know if you guys can see. Well, I don't want to do that. Does it show? Yeah, okay, up in the corner. Well, up in the corner it does show it's charging. I don't know, it keeps unlocking, I think, because I have my watch here. So if I show you guys the screen, it'll won't let me show the video. But it is charging, and we are at, I'm currently at 66%, so we'll leave this thing going. And I am plugged in to I just have 3 different USB-C ports. Okay, so let's try the iPad. And we'll see if we can get them both to charge simultaneously even too. But let's see, so this is another 6-foot one. So it looks like we're gonna have a total of 5 6-foot cables. So I'll plug in this one here, and we'll plug it into my iPad. And what do we got here? We have it charging as well, so it does work. So these go 2 for 2 so far. So that's how these things are. They're pretty good cables. I'll show you guys them here up close. Let's see, what is this cable? So I have a different cable here. I think this is the one that came with my iPad. You can see I put Neil Rappaport on there with my laser engraver. But it looks really similar. You know, it's got basically the same kind of look on it. Yeah, this one here's got a little indent, a little divot right there. That's the only difference. Other than that, it does look the same. And the thickness is right about the same, maybe slightly thinner. It's hard to tell. But it was charging, still charging my computer. My computer went up 1% already. I don't know why. Yeah, it must have just been on the edge. But this is what they look like here. So it's nice to have some USB-C to USB-C cables. I didn't have any before, but I need these for some power things and stuff. I don't know if it would do data on like a Thunderbolt. Probably not. I don't think it's that kind of cable. It's just for power probably. But I like these, so I'm gonna say these are good. So far so good, 2 for 2. And there's five in here. So thumbs up from me on these. These are the USB-C to USB-C cable. It'll work probably with your iPhones, with the iPads, like the iPhone 15, I mean, but iPads and anything that uses these. So totally awesome. Thumbs up.